Hi there, it's Amy, and I've had a few questions on how to look at errors within your assignment. So I just want to walk you through that and what it'll look like. It may not be exact as I have a different kind of setup as an instructor, but I'm going to do my best to make this fluid. So in correspondence 20-6, you're going to be building a business letter in block style. You start that work and you're going to open the document. And what you'll see here is this title up here. That's what we need. I've copied it from another source, but you can see here that there might be a few issues with it. But I'm just going to do a file save as, and I'm going to save it to my desktop so I can find it real quickly. Okay, so that's fantastic. There it is. All right, and now I'm going to come back into GDP and I'm going to upload that work. And again, there's my desktop. And I need this one right here. So it takes a few seconds for it to upload, and then you just go ahead and hit submit work. Again, takes a few seconds. It's going to correct it. Okay, and in here, it's going to give me some perhaps errors of things that I might need to fix. So sometimes what I do is I will take screenshots of this so I can then have multiple screens open. I go back and look at the text. Okay, so first things first, Avenue is misspelled. I can go in and fix that. I think there's an issue perhaps with the hyphen. Not sure that's needed. I think services only needs one S. And then the URS should be your initials. All right, so those are some of the things that I would look for. Okay, so again, sometimes you can keep multiple screens open, but if you need to, just take a little snip of it, and you can find some of those errors. And hopefully my screen doesn't lock up. So I'm going to close that. Okay, and there we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit that work. And this is the file that I need to find. Okay, so I know that avenue was misspelled. I'm going to change that. I think they didn't like this hyphen. I'm going to change that. Um, I'm going to go down here a little bit. Excuse me on that. And I'm going to change these initials to AP. I think it was the services. All right, so I've modified that. I'm going to now do a file save as and save it to my PC once again. And this time I might call it 2, so I know that this is my second one. Okay. From here, I'm going to go back into GDP, close this again, and this time I'm going to find that document again. And here it is. I'm going to submit my work. And now I only have 4 errors left. Okay, so again, something's going on here with that, and I would need to change those items. GDP is not perfect. If you're getting issues with it saying that you need to hit enter more times, like here after AP, I inserted an enter and I don't need to. Not the end of the world, but it will mark you wrong. So if you need to get down to 0 errors, those are some of the things that you're going to work on. I am okay with these types of goofy things, but when you have spelling mistakes or you're missing words, that's what I'm going to be deducting for. When you look at your assignment schedule, for instance, when you start to do lessons 26 through 30, I am going to really take a look at the document that's set out in Blackboard, correspondence 30-19, and make sure that that's down to 0 errors. That's the one that you have to focus on. I'm going to look at your timings to make sure that your speed is increasing, but your errors are going down. All right, so those are some of the ways that you can increase what you're working on in your productivity. And if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. I'm starting to get that work corrected and have some feedback for you in Blackboard. Again, if you have any questions, we can do a quick call and we can do a little session through Blackboard so we can see each other's screens and get those rectified. Hope you have a great day. Take care.